Kia ora and welcome to Grow Your Own Food. I'm your host and I'm absolutely stoked you're here. Have you ever stood in the supermarket aisle looking at those perfectly shiny apples or bright green lettuce and just wondered, where did this food really come from? What journey did it take to get here? Well, today we're diving deep into the why. Why growing your own food isn't just a hobby, but a game changer for your health, your wallet, and even our beautiful planet. Let's be honest, nothing beats the taste of a tomato picked straight from your own vine, still warm from the sun. That, my friends, is the joy of fresh, organic flavors. When you grow your own, you're getting peak freshness, often within minutes of eating. No long distance travel, no sitting on shelves for weeks. Beyond flavor, there are huge health benefits. You control exactly what goes into your plants. No mysterious chemicals, no sprays you can't pronounce. It's clean, wholesome food for you and your farm. And let's not forget the cost savings. A single packet of seeds can produce kilograms of food, drastically cutting down your grocery bill over time. Think about it. Fresh herbs, leafy greens, even berries, all from your backyard. And it's good for the environment too. Less packaging, fewer food miles, and you're helping create a greener space right at home. It's a real win-win, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the big difference between homegrown and store-bought. Flavor versus shelf life. Commercial farming often has to prioritize food that can withstand long transport, cold storage, and sitting on shelves. This usually means varieties are chosen for their toughness and ability to last, not necessarily for their taste or nutrient density. When you grow your own, you can choose heritage varieties, cultivate conditions for optimal growth, and harvest at the absolute peak of ripeness. That's when the flavors are most intense and the nutrients are at their highest. Your carrots will taste like carrots, your strawberries will burst with sweetness, not just a hint of it. It's like comparing a fresh batch of Mum's bacon to a prepackaged biscuit. Both are food, but the experience is miles apart. So, feeling inspired to start your own edible oasis? Awesome! Throughout this series, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from soil secrets to happy harvesting. We'll show you that growing your own food isn't just for big backyards. Anyone can do it, even if you only have a sunny windowsill. So, if you're ready to get your hands dirty and enjoy the freshest food of your life, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and tell us in the comments what you dream of growing. For our very first Seed Starter Challenge, I want you to pick one super easy herb, basil or mint. You don't need a garden, just a small pot and a sunny spot. Get yourself some seeds or even a small plant from your local garden center. In our next episode, we're going to talk all about the foundation of every successful garden, incredible soil. So grab your herb and get ready to dig into decoding dirt, the power of perfect soil. See you then.